Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Cruizr Luxury Penis Vibrating Pump. So let's get started. So this is the Luxury Pump by Cruizr itself. Now you can use this as an exciting piece of foreplay, or you can enjoy it solo without your partner as well. Some useful measurements for this luxury penis pump include the inner length, which is measured at 8.3 centimeters, and the inner diameter is measured at 5.4 centimeters. So the design of the penis pump makes sure that the blood flow increases to your penis and therefore gives you more volume to your penis. At the same time, while using this penis pump, you will enjoy amazing penis stimulation. And as you can see, the tube itself is transparent, so you can see everything that's going on, which makes it even more exciting. When using this penis pump, we recommend using a water-based lubricant. Do not use a silicone lubricant, as this can damage the material at the top just here, and a water-based lubricant gives a more comfortable feeling during use. This luxury penis pump is equipped with 5 vibration settings and a sucking function as well, so let's show you how to turn it on. To turn on the luxury penis pump, you're going to press and hold on the bottom button with the wavy lines for 3 seconds. To click for different vibration settings, click the same button and enjoy the 5 different vibration settings. You can press the top button here to start the suction, and you can press the middle button to release. Make sure to press and hold the middle button to release, otherwise it won't release. To turn everything off, press and hold shortly on the suction button and press and hold on the bottom button, and it's now off. The penis pump is supplied with a USB charging cable. We recommend fully charging this penis pump before use, and the approximate charging time is 120 minutes. To charge, the charging point is located at the very bottom of the penis pump, and using it like so, gently push, like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. For more tips on how to use this penis pump, you can click and download using the QR code on the back of the Cruizr packaging. Simply using your phone and the camera, scan over it and it will take you directly to the Cruizr manual, where you can find lots of different tips and tricks on how to use it. There are 8 languages in total, which definitely helps. The user manual contains useful information like what the packaging contains, the specifications, how to clean, how to use, and so much more. So it's really beneficial to have a look at this. Now for time to clean. Make sure to clean the penis pump after every use. It's quick, simple, and easy to do. So you're going to start by gently removing the silicone sleeve like so. Now this is the important part. Make sure not to take the little silicone sleeve on the inside, as this is meant to stay put. Once you have removed the little silicone sleeve, simply clean with either lukewarm water and toy cleaner, and make sure it's completely dry before putting back onto the luxury penis pump. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well, and the same principles apply. Make sure it's completely dry before putting back on. A handy tip, do not completely submerge the penis pump in water, as this can also damage the electronics. If you feel that perhaps it needs a little more cleaning, you can use a very slightly damp cloth and do it around the outer edge as well. Once your silicone mouth is completely dry, gently pull around the sides until it's back on and it's ready to go for your next use. And that is the Cruizr Luxury Penis Vibrating Pump. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.